Today I am reviewing a fairly large set of machine screws, nuts and washers. You can see the set goes from M2 all the way through M5. There are quite a few pieces of every one of them. It comes in this box, closes well, nothing special. Inside there are a bunch of these resealable plastic bags. Each one has a different variety of the item. Here I took one of them out. You can see fits well, no problems. This happens to be an M4 screw. See if I can focus on this. It uses an Allen key. There's a set of Allens it comes with. They do fit quite well. It's difficult to do with one hand, but they do fit. Everything seems to be in order. I did try the stainless steel that these are made of are slightly magnetic. So to be determined. I mean, there are some types of stainless steel that are slightly magnetic, so this is likely to be true. Okay, that's it.